What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. And with any monetized YouTube channel like ours or anyone else's, if you benefit from the video or learn something, or the video saves your life, so to speak, or really helps you out in any way, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and please send a donation, no matter if it's our channel or any other YouTube channel. Anyway, some of you who ship items regularly, maybe on eBay, Amazon, Etsy, personal items, that sort of thing, you may have known that Canada Post, the Postal Service in Canada, has been on strike until recently. Like this, I'll go back a few dates here in this news. This was a strike that happened with Canada Post, and it started in late November of 2024. And so yeah, if you go to shipstation.com and look at the blog on there, it'll tell you all about it. However, good news is the strike is over, and even though the strike was over a couple of weeks ago, they knew there was going to be just a huge backlog of packages to get out. So United States Postal Service, aka USPS, was not taking new packages to Canada until today, January 6, 2025, as you see right here. So I was able to go on PayPal shipping, paypal.com, and create a shipping label that was going to Canada, and it printed it with no problem, where a few days ago it would not offer any shipping service to Canada. So you could probably go on USPS.com and do it. However, I was unable to create a shipping label via eBay. So that means their computer system is not up to speed, it's not updated, however you want to say it. So yeah, if you've maybe made a sale on eBay to a customer in Canada, you might have to jump over to PayPal or one of the other third-party shipping companies and do your shipping label there. Anyway, so I just wanted to tell you all about that. If you're not familiar, Canada is now accepting shipments once again. And so yeah, however you want to do it is up to you. Anyway, so yeah, check out our channel, Horsepower House. We have all kinds of stuff relating to shipping stuff online, working on a computer, messing with your cell phone, working on your dirt bike, working on your car, fixing stuff around the house. So many videos, over 2,000 videos on our channel, always adding something new. So make sure you like, subscribe, follow. We really appreciate it. And like I said, if our video saved your life, make sure you click that thanks button that's underneath the video screen. I'll show you an example of one right here. Just go underneath. See this right here where it says thanks. That is where it's found. I know some people don't realize that you can do such a thing, to help people out. That right there. I mean, we appreciate hearing from you, and when you say, "Oh, your video was amazing, it totally helped me," whatever, blah blah blah. That's nice. We like that. But quite honestly, it takes a lot of time and effort to do videos, even if they're not professionally shot and edited and all that. It's still, it takes time to do a decent video that saves people's lives, so to speak. So anyway, there you go. Click that thanks button right there, send a donation, and we definitely appreciate it. So start shipping back to Canada again via USPS. I don't know if any of the other shipping services are offering it right now. I'm sure that will be updated in the near future. But as of the first week in January, you can ship via USPS to Canada. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.